insert clip art and pictures. To insert clip art, you need to press insert. After you press insert, you need to press clip art. After you press the clip art, type the name of the clip art you want. Example, Paris. Then enter. And then choose to the many choices. But it seems like there's no choices, so just click this picture. The clip art. After you press the clip art, it will automatically place in the document area. Zoom, edit it edit it if you want it big or small. How to insert clip art. Next is how to insert picture. Next you need to press insert, and after that you press the picture. After that you will pick picture you want, choose one, then click insert. Then it will automatically move into the document area. You can edit it if you want it to small or it will be big. So that's how to insert pictures. Thank you for watching.